Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, let's take a nice relaxing look at some beautiful living rooms. Let me know your favorite one down below in the comments section, and let's get started.
here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.